Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. In these sessions, I want to discuss during direct time study procedure how many cycle of observation should be timed or taken. So we look at this example. Analyze how many work cycles should be timed to estimate the average cycle time to within 8% of the sample mean with a confidence of 19% if a pilot study yield this time in minutes. So looking at this data, in task 1, there are 7 initial observations. 7 initial observations. And we want to analyze how many work cycles should be timed using statistical technique. So we can use this formula to determine how many work cycles should be timed. Okay. So we start with this first parameter x bar. X bar stands for average. So we have to determine what is the average value for the task 1. Second parameter is the sample standard deviation S. And we can use standard deviation formula to determine the standard deviation value for this task 1. And then we have T alpha divided by 2 from T distributions. We use this 90% confidence level given in the questions. Means the alpha is 10% or 0.1. So alpha divided by 2 is 0.05. And the degree of freedom value is n minus 1. And from the example, we have initial 7 observations. So 7 minus 1, the degree of freedom value for this example is 6. So we'll use this 0.05 value and degree of freedom 6 to refer in the T distribution table. And the last parameter is K. K defined as accuracy level or acceptable error desired in percent of the job element expressed as a decimal. So in this question, the acceptable error is 8%. 8% of the sample size. Here, 8% of sample size means 0.08 in decimal. So again, find all these 4 values. Start with the average. So the average is 3.73, and the standard deviation value for the task 1 is 0.22. We have know that the degree of freedom of the example is 6, and degree of freedom here 6, and the alpha divided by 2 value is 0.05. So refer to column 0.05. 0.05. Okay, 0.05. So we know that the this degree of freedom 6 and alpha 0.05, the T alpha divided by 2 value is 1.943. Okay, so 1.943, and then the acceptable error is 0.08%, so 0.08. Okay. So we plug in all these values, the standard deviation value 0.22, the average 3.73, table that we get from the T distribution table, the value that we get from T distribution table 1.943, and the acceptable error 0.08K. So from this value, we get the number of cycles should be timed is 2.05. So it means this should be rounded up to 3 cycles of observation, since 7 observations have already been timed, which more than enough. The analyst can use this data available for further analysis. So that's how we determine the number of cycles should be timed using statistical technique. And we look at another example. Example 2. Okay. So analyze how many work cycles should be timed to estimate the average cycle time to within 8%, sorry, to within 5% of the sample mean with the confidence level 99%. Yeah. So given here we have 10 initial observation time, yeah, for task 1. Okay. Again, using the same formula, yeah, we have to find all these value here, the average, the standard deviations, the T alpha divided by 2 value from T distribution table, and the accuracy level K. Okay, so we know that the T alpha divided by 2, so because given is 99% confidence level, so the alpha is 1% or 0.01. So alpha divided by 2, we get 0.005, and the degree of freedom value, yeah, because we have 10 observations, yeah, so we have 10 observations, so the degree of freedom value is 10 minus 1, 9. So we'll use this 0.005 and the degree of freedom value 9 to refer the T distribution table later on. And again, the K accuracy level is 5%, so 0.05. Okay, so from this value, so again, we look at this T distribution table. So the degree of freedom, yeah, 9, 9, and this degree of freedom 9, and the alpha by 2 value is 0.05. Okay, here 0.005. So 0.005, 0.005. Okay, so from here the value is 3.250. 3.250 given here. Standard deviation is 2.45. 2.45. The average is 14.3. Yeah, and the acceptable error is 5% or 0.05. So from this analysis shows that the n is 15.6. So conclusion, this should be round up to 16 cycle of observations. Since 10 observations have already been timed, the analyst needs to add another 6 cycle observations, yeah, to ensure the actual time is within the accuracy required in these questions. So I hope that you can apply this sampling technique to determine the other scenario of the number of work cycle to be timed with accuracy required. So thank you. See you in the other sessions.